All right, we're gonna do the Mach 7 installation on a 2021 Q50 Red Sport. I've seen the videos of the installation of the Mach 6 and lower, and a lot of people say that the Mach 6 is pretty much the Mach 7. Yeah, you know, spec wise, technical wise, and things like that. But the whirring is a bit different. I'll explain to you about that later. But we're gonna get this started, and you know, here she is. She came in the Mach 7. Yeah, brand new box, unboxing. I never touched it, never seen it, never tried to install it one time, fucked up, and had to find out it's a different way to install the newer models. So yeah, here she is. She's in there, and we're gonna get this started. These panels right here, you can look up videos on how to get that off. So what I'm gonna do is go past this entire process and get to where it's really different for the newer model cars versus the older cars. So before, and we're back temporarily. As a word of advice, in those other videos they don't show you this. I'm gonna show you this because some of us out here are dumbasses. So when you're trying to get these trim pieces off, and this piece off in particular, raise this up, get that out your way. All right, we'll be back. All right, and we're back. Now, the other videos on the other, you know, on the older models, this is where you will be at. You will have that bottom screen off, and then you will start going up here to take this screen off. No, if you see that you have one of the newer model ones, you take this and you go down this way to the CD player. We have to take this out and get behind it. The way that we do that, we get one screw, two screw, screw, screw. All right, 3 and 4. Let's get that and get that out of here. All right, let's see here. We got those off, and all right, can't do this. There we go. All right, let me get this off of her and I'll be back again. All right, and we're back. Now you got them screws off. It gives you access to the back of the CD player, which is where us for the 2020 and the 2022 models do not go behind this to get it, because you're gonna see a single wire that goes out. Everything that we need is behind the CD player itself, and it's not this first one, it's this one and the one right below it that we need access to connect our harness up. Remember, all on this side. Leave everything else alone. You don't need none of that other stuff. All you need is the harness, the USB connectors if you want to update it, but yeah, just that. We don't need none of that other stuff. All right, those two I pointed out. Sorry, it's kind of jumbled up and I'm not taking everything apart to get to this. We're gonna make this real simple. Back of the CD player, you got the top one, you got the bottom one off. See that small one down there? That's gonna connect to our smaller ports. This gonna be our big one. So here's our harness. You connect that into the back of this into the back of the CD player. That's the lower one. Then you go to your water one. Connect that water one into that into that. All this stuff over here goes to your deck. That's all you need. All right, let's do it. All right, you got that all connected. Once you get that done, make sure all the wires are coming out the front for it. It should be this one, the yellow one, and this one from the harness. These three are from the back of your original screen. All of these 6, it's pretty much all you're gonna need. You know, and if you're adding GPS, then add that, you know, but I'm gonna use the aftermarket GPS. I'm not gonna use the system GPS. All right, let's get back to it. And we're back. Now that we got these 4 screws put back in, deck back in, like I said, you should have your 6, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the GPS I'm going to use, the aftermarket. What I would suggest, do what you want to do. Right there. See that? Right there next to that skin in this vent area, at that top area. Oh, man. It's getting good and close to the top. It's out of the way. Just got to wire your stuff to be out of the way when done. That's where this is going. So, that's the steps right now. Let's get this connected. And we'll go from there. We'll be back. All right, here we are, back in the Mach 7. You can tell that by the HDMI port. The earlier versions does not have that. Not that I'm going to be using it, not that it matters, but hey, latest and greatest, yay. Nothing, as they say, can fit what it's not supposed to fit. So we only supposed to have 6 connections, and 6 connections it is. The GPS wire, it's got a screw, so if you're using GPS, 7 connections. So it's not these 2 that says 4G, it's this one, GPS. All right, now that we got everything connected, I put just the bottom 2 screws in to test everything before I go on. GPS, you see where it's at in there? Exactly. It's up there at the dash. Good signal. Do what you want. I'll be back. Well, no, let's go on and do the test. All right. Oh. Key's not in the car. Now it's in the car. GT6. There it is, and we're gonna oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I ain't planning on making no money on this off of that anyway, so very nice, very nice. Let's all right, now to the most important part, the user manual. You ready? Chuck that shit. All right, now here we go. Everything snap back up, put on. All right, that's good. Everything. Boom, boom. Outlet. Man, okay. This is my OEM. It's got like a crystal effect. I ordered a aftermarket blackout so I can black out all the badges and emblems. The one that came has a sticker on the inside versus this inlay, and it's irritating me, so that's why I kept this. I'm gonna put this somewhere, don't know where. Here maybe. Let's see what that looks like. All right, anyways, this and we're gonna do the startup test to see how fast it is, and probably go through a few touches. Pretty damn fast. That's what she looks like. If y'all want to know, like, fit and finish, it looks good. Looks real good. Remember, not up, down for our new users. Behind the CD player, not behind the screen up there. That's the main big thing. Lot less connections, and it's a balance out. It's easy. It's just an annoyance, but to have this versus them two screens, any day,